We just wrapped up an absolutely epic month. I have to say thank you to everybody from social media across the country that has given myself and my team the opportunity to work with you. The amount of deals that we are getting from social media is almost incomprehensible. And last month, we finished top 43 in the nation. That's out of about 130, that's out of about 386 Mercedes-Benz dealerships across the country. Now, this is significant because normally we fall between top 75, top 85. So we were slammed last month. We had an amazing month. We did 121 new cars, those are numbers like pre-COVID style numbers, so that was great to see. But the best part about it was that in the last couple of years, there have been some spikes here and there, but typically it has been a spike that the rest of the industry has felt, right? So our local dealers or dealers in our region or other dealers across the country will have a similar uptick in volume and we'll kind of fall in that same 75 to 85 range. But last month, we absolutely went nuts and we had a fantastic month. We just about finished in the top 38, right? We were off that number by just a few cars, but huge month. I'm so impressed with my team. They did an amazing job. And we've made a couple of changes. Most notably, the single change that we've made that's really different is that beginning of March, I started mandating my team has to make a car film video for every single lead that comes in. And the reason for that is that I want them to put themselves on camera in a one-on-one video, introduce themselves, humanize the experience, put the cars on film that people are looking to buy. It just makes the process more comfortable, especially for people that are doing a deal remotely, right? To be able to see the person that you're gonna do business with, hear them, see the car, see any imperfections if there are any. It just really we've always had car film and we've used it a lot, but it's never been like a all the time thing. And I've always made the argument with my team, let's say you go to the gym. If you go to the gym every now and then, it'll be really hard to tell, is this having an impact? Like on some days you might look in the mirror and be like, hey, I'm looking a little bit more fit or I feel stronger. But you're not going often enough to really know, is this making a huge difference in my life? But when you start going every day, pretty soon you can tell, okay, this is definitely having an impact, or maybe it's not for whatever reason. But if you're only doing something occasionally, it's almost impossible to know, is it working, is it not working? So I figured, you know what, let's make this a 100% of the time thing and see what it does. And what do you know, look, hard to argue. I'm not gonna jump to conclusions after just 2 months, but the last 2 months have been great and last month was a historical performance for us. So really excited about that. Hats off to my team. A lot of them had personal bests. They all had huge months. So I'm thrilled to see some big paychecks go out to the sales team this month. All very well deserved. And here's the thing. For dealers that think a best price upfront model doesn't work, well, trust me, it does. But it only works under one circumstance, and that's that you believe in it, that you buy into it, and you don't ever deviate from it. And that's what we do here. And the reason we do it, just to reiterate, is because we believe that buying a car should be fun, it should be easy, it shouldn't be stressful. You shouldn't worry if the person over there is getting a better deal than you just because they asked more times for a discount or whatever, or you shouldn't worry that, oh, I'm gonna get taken advantage of for XYZ reason, right? Because the price has already been determined, right? Every car in our inventory has already been priced. The only lever to pull is, do you qualify for XYZ incentive? And if so, we'll go in and add that, or subtract it technically. But you can't pay more than somebody else just because you were looked at and thought, oh, I bet you this person will pay more. No, that's not how it works when you're doing a best price upfront model. And look, last month, more proof that it absolutely does work. I encourage more dealers to give it a try. It's transparent, it's fair, and it's easy. It's so quick and easy. I hope that anybody that is watching this video that has done business with us in the recent past will jump in and tell everyone about their experience, talk about their experience. I hope it was a good one. I meet a lot of you and I get a lot of amazing feedback. So anyway, I'm just really proud of the team. I apologize that I'm on a little bit of a soapbox here, but let's get to what's going on for May, because May is officially here. We've got a beautiful sunny day here in Cleveland, and who knows if that weather will stick or not. But, oh, and by the way, check out this absolutely gorgeous E53 wagon in Sonoran Brown. Anyway, Conquest is back. Now, Conquest incentive has been reduced a little bit from last month. It was $2,000, now it's $1,500, which is still a huge amount of money. But the good news is that we have a lot more Conquest incentives. So we ran through them real quick last month. So we've got a huge number of Conquest incentives because we maxed out our allocation last month. So that means if you drive any car, any competitive car, 2020 or newer, and you have an active registration that is going to match the registration address of your new car, then boom, $1,500 right then and there. And that goes a long way. And you don't even have to trade your car in. That's the best part. You just have to prove that you own it. And it can be a household member. So your spouse, if they've got a competitive car, boom, you qualify. So Conquest is back for May. Any make and model qualifies, model year 2020 or newer. The only model that is not eligible for Conquest incentives is the G-Wagon, of course, right? We know the G-Wagon doesn't get incentives because why would it, right? We've already got enough of a problem keeping those in stock. Let's not make it worse by incentivizing them. But what else is new for May? The 24-month lease. This isn't new, but the 24-month lease is still in effect for May, which means that the 24-month money factors are reduced and are juiced. Residuals are bumped up so that 24-month leases in many cases are the same or even lower than 36-month leases. So what does this mean for you? Well, it means that you can get in and out of a new car even quicker. You're on a 2-year timeline. And really, when you factor in the 3-month pull-ahead program that Mercedes-Benz always has in place, or at least they've always had in my 16 years with the brand, you're really talking about like a 21-month lease to get out and into a new car. And we have so many cool new models coming: the GLE, the GLS, the S-Class, the GLB, the C, the GLC. Pretty much everything's getting redesigned in the next couple years, so that's going to be really fun. So you can get a smoking deal on a lease. There's still special financing on just about every car, so you can buy, you can lease. Either way, there's incentives. This is a big departure from what Mercedes has done historically, right? They typically were only heavy on leasing. Now they're heavy on leasing and financing. The 24-month leases are also really great for people that want to hit the reset button on a negative equity situation quicker than normal. I've always said that leasing is a fantastic way to undo negative equity. Negative equity comes for a number of reasons. It's typically a car that was purchased that doesn't fit a need anymore, or maybe it was the wrong car for the right price, which we've talked about before. You don't ever want to buy the wrong car for the right price, which means you got sucked in by the deal. Turns out you hate the car, now you got to switch it up. Or it could have just been an older car that's starting to break down, or you took out too long of a term on a finance. Whatever the case might be, leasing helps you get back to square one as quick as possible, and these 24-month leases are like the best way to hit that reset button. You might have a little bit of a higher payment in the short term to undo it, but then you get back to the beginning, you start fresh, no more negative equity. What you don't want to do is you don't want to go buy another car, take out a 6 or 7 year finance term, and then just make the negative equity situation even worse, right? We want to avoid that at all costs. So these 24-month leases are fantastic for that. So 24-month leases, Conquest is back. Inventory is going to start changing over here in the next couple months. 27s will start to roll in. So you've got some really fantastic programs all around on 26s. It's a great time for the brand. It's a great time for the brand. I'm so proud of my team. I just want to say that one more time. Can't wait to see if staying committed to the car film for everybody that reaches out continues to make a difference, because I believe that it is making a massive, massive difference. We'll see. We need more data to really make a educated takeaway at whether or not that is the primary factor, but last month was awesome. So thank you if you've reached out, given us the opportunity to work with you from all across the country. I hope that we've delivered on our promise to make it the easiest and most fun car that you've ever bought. And if you ever have any concerns that we haven't delivered on that promise, of course I want to hear about it, because we're not perfect. We're striving for it every day. The most important thing is that we want you to leave doing business with us saying, that was the most enjoyable car buying experience that I've ever had. And if we can deliver on that, 99 times out of 100, then I'm going to be happy. So thank you to everybody that is here and being supportive. If you're not following the channel already, would love and appreciate a follow. And if you're looking for a deal, a short-term lease, special financing, you got a competitive car, May is another fantastic month to take advantage.